Hello children, Yashan sir welcomes you in today's English class. Today we are going to learn grammar part, direct and indirect speech. In previous class I told you kinds of sentences based on the structure, classification of sentences based on the structure. Today we are going to see those examples how to change from direct speech to indirect speech. Students, whatever we speak, we can convey in two ways. We can report two ways. Okay, that is the one way is the direct way and another is the indirect way. Direct way ki direct speech anali, indirect way ki indirect speech anali. Adi enti ఒకసారి చూద్దాము. Let's see. Come here. Come to the point. Direct speech and indirect speech. Okay, students. If I write here, Arun said, we will play today. Arun said, we will play today. Means we will not study today, we will play today. Okay, right. Then you see, what is the meaning of a direct speech? ఒక్కసారి చూడండి. If there are comma inverted commas used in a sentence, that is called direct speech. Where you find comma and inverted comma, that is called direct speech. We are expressing, conveying, reporting, giving message direct way. It is a direct speech. Direct way, direct speech. Okay. Then what is the meaning of the inverted commas? Inverted comma ki meaning enti? Why we use inverted commas? These are inverted commas used. Inverted commas are used to indicate that there is no change in the words spoken by the speaker. మేము ఏం మాట్లాడాము అవి అలాగే ఉన్నాయి, ఏం చేంజ్ చేయబడలేదు దానికి ఎక్కడ. దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ యువర్ ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కామర్స్. Meaning of inverted comma is that whatever words are spoken by the speaker are kept same without making any change. Okay, daniki direct speech anali. Okay students, direct way, direct speech. Ante Arun said, we will play today. Right. Then how to change to indirect speech? Now here is comma and comma ante it is a direct speech. అర్థమైంది కదా. డైరెక్ట్. దెన్ హౌ టు చేంజ్ ఇండైరెక్ట్ స్పీచ్? ఓకే, సీ నౌ. అరుణ్ సెడ్, అరుణ్ సెడ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా రాయండి. ఓకే, అరుణ్ సెడ్, హియర్ ఈజ్ కామా ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కామా, కామా ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కామా. అందులో ఏం చేయాలి? యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ సమ్ కంజంక్షన్. కానీ ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ చేయాలి? వెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ వెన్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ స్టేట్మెంట్. yesterday I told you kinds of sentences I told you. Okay, statement or assertive sentence or declarative sentence. One. Okay, next interrogative sentence, next exclamative sentence, and fourth imperative sentence kada. And this is a decide what type of sentence it is interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamative sentence or a statement. is a statement. Very good. ఎప్పుడు మనకి ఇక్కడ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ కామా అండ్ కామా యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ దట్ కంజంక్షన్. ఏం చేస్తారు మీరు? యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ దట్ కంజంక్షన్. అరుణ్ సెడ్ దట్. కామా ఇన్వర్టెడ్ కామా బదులుగా స్టేట్మెంట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ దట్ కంజంక్షన్. అర్థమైందా? రైట్. దట్. వి స్టాండ్స్ ఫర్ హూమ్. వి అంటే ఎవరు? వి ఈజ్ అ ప్లూరల్ ఫామ్. గో అరుణ్ ఈజ్ అ సింగులర్. మరి ఏం చేయాలి ఇక్కడ? అరుణ్తో పాటు హీ హ్యాజ్ అ ఫ్రెండ్స్. ఓకే, హీ హ్యాజ్ అ ఫ్రెండ్స్ or there is another girl, Meena, whatever may be. Okay, we stands for more than one kada, two kada, right? That's why here we becomes they, we becomes they, right? That they. Instead of we, if there were I, then we have it there here he. Instead of they, you written he. Ikkada we kabatti you have to use they. We, now you see, Arun said that they, now here is a will. Will undi kada. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలంటే, if this reporting verb is in past tense, ఇది కూడా మీరు past tense లో యూజ్ చేయాలి. You have to use in past tense. What is the past tense of a will? Would. Very good. Arun said that they would play. They would play today. Becomes that day. Today becomes that day. Okay, that day. And there will be full stop at last. And here changing statement into indirect speech is completed. Okay, it is a IDS, indirect speech. Indirect speech. Take another example. Jackal said, to elephant. Jackal said to elephant. What did he say? I want food for my males. I want food for my males. It is a, you see, it is a direct speech because here is a comma into comma. Direct speech. Okay. Then how do they need to passive, indirect speech? Etla cheyali. Now you see, in first Sunday there is only Arun said. Arun said. Evaru cheppali teliyadu. In first, this sentence given here, Jackal said to elephant. And ikkada there is a reporter as well as a receiver. Reporter as a receiver, and there is a verb. Okay, said to. Mari em cheyali appude? When there is a reporter as well as a receiver in a reporting part, then what you have to do? Right here, Jackal as it is, said to badluga. It is statement is the kind of sentence here, kind of sentence, statement, interrogation, imperative sentence, exclamation sentence. What kind of sentence it is? Statement, declarative. Kabadi em cheyali? Declaration is told. Said badluga told rayali or informed rayali. Jackal told. Jackal told. Told then kosam ochindi. Said to badluga you are using said to badlu you are using told. Okay. Or informed. Told or informed. Jackal told or informed whom? Elephant. Elephant. Okay. Now comma into comma. What do you have to use? That conjunction. What you have done here? You have to use that conjunction instead of comma into comma. E badluga you are using here that conjunction in a statement. Okay. Jackal told elephant that. I stands for whom? Jackal. Jackal is a male or female? Male. What is the pronoun for male, singular male, that is he. Jackal here, he. అర్థమైందా? I stand for jackal. Jackal is a male, singular pronoun, third person pronoun, he. Okay, that's why here I stands for jackal, it becomes he. Now see here, want. Want is a present tense. Want is present tense and said to is past tense. Told is past tense. Mari you have to make past tense of want. What is the past tense of want? Wanted. Wanted. Food. For. My stands for whom? My stands for I stand for jackal. Okay. Then his or him, think for a while. Male ki he, his, him use cheyali. Female ki she, her use cheyali. Here jackal is a male kabatti use here he. Then for him males or his meals, for him meals or his meals, his meals. Yes, he wanted food. He wanted food for his meals. There, full stop, no interrogation, sorry, no inverted commas. Okay, students. In this, you have to make changes while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Okay, students? Right. I will give more two examples. I will give more two examples and let us see. And you have to do yourself this work at home. Take it as homework and complete it. Gopal said to Nihal, I have lot of work to be done Gopal said to Nihal, I have lot of work to be done. Okay, student. Another work. My mother said to father, the meal is ready. The meals is ready. Full stop. Okay. You have to change this to into indirect speech. Before changing, you have to just at first em cheyali, listen this video clip once again, twice, thrice, and then go with the changes. Okay, students? Right. Let us stop here and see in the next period. Till that, have a nice day.